In this tutorial we will learn how to create GitHub account. Open your web browser and navigate to the GitHub website at github.com. Click on the Sign Up button located on the GitHub homepage. You'll be prompted to provide your email address. Enter your email address. Create a password. And enter a username. Fill in the required information. Say "No" by typing "N" to receive updates. Complete any additional verification steps if prompted by GitHub to prove you're not a robot. Click the Create Account button. Note down your credentials. GitHub will send a verification code to the email address you have provided. Go to your email inbox and open the verification email. Copy and paste the code from the verification email link in the email to confirm your email address. After email verification, you'll be prompted to provide additional profile information, such as account of team members, student or teacher. Click on Continue. GitHub offers different plans, including a free plan for individual developers. Select the plan that suits your needs. Our GitHub dashboard is initialized. Congratulations! You now have a GitHub account and a profile set up. You can start using GitHub for version control, collaboration, and contributing to open source projects. If you found value in our tutorials, a like, share, and subscribe fuels our motivation to create more content.